Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best little boys suit available. The YuanLu boys suit for kids, a 5-piece slim-fit tuxedo set designed to make any young gentleman stand out on special occasions. This suit is thoughtfully crafted from a combination of materials to balance comfort and style. The dress shirt is made of 65% polyester and 35% cotton, providing a soft yet durable feel ideal for active kids. The blazer and pants blend 80% polyester with 20% viscose, giving the outfit a smooth finish with a touch of breathability and flexibility. One of the standout features of this suit is its slim fit design, tailored to give a modern and polished look while maintaining ease of movement. Whether your child is attending a wedding, a birthday party, a prom, or a religious ceremony like First Communion, this suit is versatile enough to fit the occasion perfectly. The 5-piece set includes everything needed to create a complete formal look: a stylish suit jacket with real pockets, a dress vest, dress pants with an elastic waist for comfort and adjustable sizing, a dress shirt, and a coordinating tie or bow tie. The attention to detail is clear in the quality zipper and well-placed stitching, ensuring durability through multiple wears and washes. Available in sizes ranging from 2T up to 20, this suit accommodates toddlers through teenagers, making it a practical investment for growing boys. For parents concerned about fit, the brand provides a detailed size chart to help choose the perfect size, with toddler sizes corresponding directly to the standard numbered sizes. The design embraces elegance without compromising comfort. The neckline of the jacket is sleek, and the bow tie adds that classic tuxedo charm. The elastic waistband and adjustable sizing of the pants allow kids to wear the suit comfortably for extended periods without fuss. Imported and manufactured with a commitment to craftsmanship, this suit reflects the brand's dedication to letting every child shine with personality and charisma at their important moments. It is a popular choice, consistently ranking as a top seller in boys' suits on Amazon. To summarize, the YuanLu boys suit offers a stylish, well-constructed, and comfortable outfit that covers all the bases for formal children's wear. From weddings to holiday celebrations, it's a reliable choice for parents seeking quality and value in a boys suit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking for a suit that balances style, comfort, and practicality for your little prince, this YuanLu set is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.